2008 Chevy Colorado LLS wheel speed sensor is going bad. Rear wheel drive only. And I know some people took the bracket off for this, but if you look, I'm hoping, because it's all open, I can wiggle that out, put the new one in, just kind of follow the zip ties, stuff, blah, blah, blah. Had to open up the hood to reach down in there. I'll check back. Right there you can see, I'm just working it out with a screwdriver. I'm pushing up against this and just working it out. That center turns, see that? So, I mean, it's working it out. So I think one of the most important things here to remember is you can manipulate this by turning the wheel forward and backwards. And so here's that. Now you gotta remember the sensor part. See if I can do this. The sensor part is this piece of rubber right here. This, if you look, doesn't go all the way in. And I know I got beat marks in there from a hammer, but remember when I first started the video, this was flush with that. And once I clean that up, this hub turns. That's the hub. Look at that. So remember, if you can see back in here, that sensor doesn't go all the way in. It'll be mashed in there. So it's just around enough. I cleaned this up with a wire brush and brake clean. It kind of just fell in. It just needed a little tapping. Remember, the sensor part's right here. And then how it gets wired, you got this little metal guy here, this little metal guy here. There's a clip here, clip here, clip here, and then it goes up inside. So to tie this all up, there it is. There's the new sensor. Put the bracket on right there. I found that when you start the wiring from the bracket, you know, right there by the brake, then go to that bracket. Just go systematically follow. And in the engine compartment, you can see down in there, it's that gray piece. See the O2 sensor? See the O2 sensor? And right there is the bracket that comes across. And the exhaust is right there. Great design.